My dear Louisian students, faculty, and staff, a blessed and joyful beginning to academic year 2025-2026. With renewed hope and purpose, we gather once again as one Louisian community. This school year opens with great promise. At the heart of our direction is our shared identity as a Catholic institution, inspired by the CICM missionary spirit. With this, we remain steadfast in forming minds and nurturing hearts. As you enter our classrooms, laboratories, offices, and halls, may you be reminded that your growth here is not only academic, it is spiritual, personal, and communal. We seek to deepen faith-inspired campus life, rooted in humility and compassion. Furthermore, we are intensifying support systems for mental health, mentoring, and inclusive education to ensure your well-being and personal development. To our faculty and staff, this year calls us anew to embrace innovation and growth. Expanded upskilling and opportunities will empower us to serve, to teach, and to lead with greater foresight. Moreover, infrastructural upgrades and digital transformation continue not for prestige, but to build a smart and sustainable environment where every Louisian can thrive. USLT's reach has also been growing beyond borders. Through our internationalization thrust, we are cultivating linkages while remaining grounded in our mission, pairing innovation with sustainability and change with courage. As we begin this academic year, may we move forward with clarity, compassion, and courage. Let us remain faithful stewards of our transformative mission for the Church and society. Welcome back, dear Louisians. May this academic year 2025-2026 be fruitful for all of us. Thank you, and God bless us all.